Stop! If you're not eating eggplant, you're missing out on one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet. But wait, before you skip this video, let me tell you why eggplant is a game changer for your health. Most people ignore eggplant at the store. Some think it's bitter, others believe it's unhealthy because it's fried in unhealthy oils. Wrong. The truth will shock you. Eggplant is loaded with antioxidants, especially one called niacin, a powerful brain protector. It fights free radicals, improves memory, and even helps prevent cognitive decline. And that deep purple color? That means it's packed with anthocyanins, the same compounds that make blueberries a superfood. Trying to lose weight? Eggplant is your secret weapon. It's ridiculously low in calories and high in fiber, keeping you full longer and helping you shed unwanted pounds. Say goodbye to hunger cravings. Did you know eggplant can lower bad cholesterol and stabilize blood sugar? If you're worried about heart disease or diabetes, adding eggplant to your diet is a no-brainer. But wait, don't ruin your eggplant with unhealthy cooking. Avoid deep frying. Instead, roast, grill, or sauté it for maximum health benefits. Need a quick and tasty recipe? Try this. Now that you know why eggplant is a must-have superfood, don't make the mistake of skipping it any longer. Try it this week and let me know in the comments how you like to prepare eggplant. And if you want more life-changing nutrition tips, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you next time.